Hello everyone, do you buy garlic chips, onion flakes for your cooking? Today I will show you how to make them at home. Welcome to SaigoncookTravel. I am Saigon Cook. If you're new to my channel, please like, share my videos and subscribe. Thank you. So I have a bunch of shallots here. And I show you how to remove skins. With a knife, you can use big knife or small knife, whatever you comfortable with. And you just go from the roots up like so and remove all skins. It's pretty easy. So I trim up the end also, and now we have a clean shallot. Now I need to slice them thin. Notice that I started from the root because I want the big slice like so. If you make it small slices, your flakes will be small. But I want my flakes, it can be corn chips after you done. So I try to make it big. But whatever, big or small, that is on fine. So you can go around and slide to the end, and that's it. After you done, I like to sun dry on my flakes one day in hot sun. You can also no drying. That will be fine also. And this year I do the same thing with garlic. I have special garlic. It called a single head. And do the same thing, slide them, sun dry. Now it's the time to fry them. I use a wok big enough to contain on my slices, and I pour oil, and into the oil I add like half a teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. This is the trick so that you can have flaky and crispy garlic chips or shallot chips when you're done. So I mix the salt and the flour on up into the oil and wait for the oil is hot. That is crucial, because if you can test by dropping one piece in, and you can see it takes forever to float. That means your oil is not hot enough. I wait a little longer. You can see now the oil is swirling, and this is the time. So I drop my flakes in and let it do its thing for about 8 to 10 minutes. Whenever I saw around the edges of the skillets or of the wok, the flakes are yellow, blondie more exact, then I mix on the flakes, stir them a little bit, And that's it. Turn off the heat and remove. You can see they are blondie right now, but if you leave them in hot oil or you continue cook them, your flakes will be dark color. And if you leave more than that, they burn. And when garlic or shallots are burned, they are bitter. So I leave a little longer here for you to see. The longer I leave in the oil like so, the darker color. You can see it become darker and darker. This is an experiment for you to see with your eyes, because doing this is very easy, but it needs a little techniques. Otherwise, your flakes are ruined because they are dark and bitter. And what you want is light color, flaky, crispy flakes. You see, this is dark color, and I show you the flakes that are the most desirable. I have two batches here for you to see. You see that on top is lighter and the bottom is darker. Preferable you do the blondie on the top. Now you do the same thing with the garlic. You drop them in, let it do this thing about 8-10 minutes, and when around the edges blondie, then you cut off the heat, remove, and you can see so beautiful flakes. I hope you like my videos. Thank you. Bye bye.